There are few things more amazing than being able to watch wild horses. Occasionally, we even see wild horses in town down here in the desert. Well, that happened this day as we were driving through the Calvada area of Pahrump, Nevada. Well, we hope you enjoyed this little video with these wild horses right in town here in Pahrump, Nevada. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like button if you're not already. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not yet, and we'll catch you in the next video, everybody. Thanks for joining us.